Is your Subaru WRX failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Statistically, 80% of these connection drops are simple software handshakes or worn cables, not a broken head unit. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get you back on the road. Start by swapping your cable for an official one and clearing any lint from your phone port before repairing your device. Common culprits include outdated Starlink firmware, minor iOS bugs, or even damaged data pins inside the center console port. If simple troubleshooting fails, try a master head unit reset or check for a pending firmware update via your local dealer. Try these home remedies first, as a shop visit is only necessary if the physical USB module itself has failed. A simple cable fix costs under $20, whereas a dealership head unit replacement can easily exceed $400. For advanced troubleshooting, verify your infotainment fuse is intact and check the Subaru Starlink portal for specific software patches. Keep an MFI certified cable and some compressed air in your glove box to resolve these connectivity issues on the fly. Remember, consistency in your connection almost always starts with the quality of your cable. If these steps fixed your CarPlay, let us know in the comments and subscribe for more WRX maintenance tips.